Okay, tell me if this sounds familiar. You've got like 37 tabs open in your brain, one's playing circus music, and you can't remember what you were doing in the first place. Yeah, that's ADHD life. Today, we're not fixing your brain, we're teaming up with it. I'm going to show you 3 hilarious ADHD moments and how to hack them using a little neuroscience and a lot of creativity. Welcome back to Mental Health Meemaw. Today we're going to discuss ADHD, and I'm going to give you 3 hacks based on the latest in scientific research. Number 1, the great laundry time warp. So you say, I'm just going to fold the laundry real quick. Cut to 3 hours later, you're watching a YouTube video about the history of traffic cones. Your laundry? It's now Mount Sockmore. Here's the deal. Don't fight your ADHD brain. Trick it. I call this the dopamine portal. You set a tiny, ridiculous goal, like, let's see if I can fold 10 shirts before this song ends. Boom! Suddenly it's fun. You basically gamified the chore. ADHD brains love challenge and novelty. They thrive on it. You're giving your brain the same dopamine hit it gets from scrolling TikTok, but this time you're actually being productive. Neuroscientists say ADHD brains have lower baseline dopamine. That's why we crave fun or urgency. Adding novelty or play activates the reward circuit, which is the difference between laundry and game on, let's go. Number 2, the thought tornado. You sit down and write an email, and somehow, 5 minutes later, you're reorganizing your sock drawer. 10 minutes later, you're deep into jellyfish documentaries. How did we get here? Here's the trick. Don't fight the chaos, contain it. I call this one cognitive whack-a-mole. Every time a new thought pops up, just write it down. Don't chase it. You're not ignoring it, you're parking it. Boom, you just freed up brain space. Your working memory isn't juggling 50 things anymore. It's got room to actually focus. Science backs this up. ADHD brains have a hyperactive default mode network. That's the part that loves to daydream and wander. When you write things down, you quiet that system and switch on your focus mode. Number 3, the Deadline Symphony. You had 3 weeks to finish something, but you start the night before. Suddenly your brain's like an orchestra on caffeine, anxiety drums, panic violins, and that one trumpet of regret. Here's a trick that feels like a Jedi mind hack. Time travel anchoring. Before you start, close your eyes and picture tomorrow morning. It's done. You're relaxed, proud, sipping coffee like a legend. Now hold that feeling and do the first small step. You're basically borrowing future dopamine. Your brain now feels the reward before you finish, so motivation kicks in immediately. There is actual science here. ADHD brains struggle with something called temporal discounting, meaning we value instant comfort more than future success. This visualization hack activates the emotional decision center, the ventral medial prefrontal cortex. So your brain actually believes the reward is happening now. Here's the truth. ADHD isn't about being lazy. It's like having a sports car brain with bicycle brakes. Your job isn't to slow it down. It's to learn how to drive it. So next time your brain tries to go rogue, turn chores into dopamine games, play cognitive whack-a-mole, and borrow motivation from your future self. Because your brain isn't broken. It's just brilliantly miswired, creative, curious, and unstoppable when you understand how it really works. If you found this helpful, please give a like and subscribe. And remember, my little cherubs, Meemaw's always rooting for you.